Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find cheap deals on Airasia. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Very simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. In the official website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that's how to find cheap deals on Airasia. So let's have a placing a booking. And let's say you change this to one-way, round trip, or multi-city, and you click here to add people, add anyone you want to add or subtract anyone to subtract, and then you choose your travel class. Add the promo code if you want to, Airasia flights only if you choose, and then your location, your destination, and your departure date. Then go ahead and click on search. Now it takes you to this window where you can now search for cheap deals. I mean the cheapest, extremely cheapest deals on Airasia. When it comes to cheap deals, Airasia has got you covered, trust me. So you have flights. So for you to search for cheap deals, head over here where you have sort by. So click on the sort by, and now you have cheapest, you have fastest, you have earliest. So let's say it was set to fastest or it was set to earliest, and you don't want any of this, but you want cheap deals. So click on cheapest. And once you click on cheapest, your page is going to be refreshed. You're going to see a lot of cheap deals here, and these are incredibly cheap deals that you can choose. So here you go. So select any of the options that is cheap enough for you and follow through the step-by-step processes to make payment. But this is how you can search for cheap deals. Go over to sort by and click on cheapest and get your cheap deals on Airasia. So this is pretty much the process. Then you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.